Hey guys, Kirk here from Treehouse 51, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about our website retainer packages. Now we offer various packages that range from 10 hours all the way up to 30-hour packages. Our packages are perfect for small websites as well as huge e-commerce websites. It really just depends on what your goals and needs are. The way it works, go through the checkout process and select the package that makes the most sense for you. You can use this package any way you see fit. Let's say you need help managing your blog, we can take care of that. Or maybe you want to add a new web page, we'll take care of that. Or maybe you're looking to do a new add-on to your site, we can also take care of that. It really just comes down to which package you select and how many hours that package comes with. Now let's say you need more hours, all you have to do is reach out to us and we'll be happy to help you in any way we can. Thanks guys.